Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today we are going to do a search using the New York Times Historical Database. The first thing we want to do after getting to the library's main webpage is scroll down and select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases. Once we get here, we'll select N, and we'll scroll down to the New York Times Historical link. I've already logged in. If you guys have any problem logging in, please reach out to us through chat or email, and we can help you out with that. The first thing we'll see is a chat bar. There's a search box. You can do more advanced searching if you'd like. You can scroll down here a little bit. You can view a title list as well, but for the most part, you'll probably want to just start with a general search. The Civil War is a great search to use this historical database for, so we'll go ahead and try that. And do note that the coverage is from 1851 all the way up till 2014. So while it is for historical purposes, it does offer a lot of recent history as well. All right, you can see that has brought us back over 250,000 results. Here on the left-hand side is a bunch of different limiters that we can use. The date range is an excellent one to kind of narrow this down. So let's go with 1890, 1880. We'll update that. Give it a second here. And now we're down to 20,000 results, so much more manageable. You can continue to use the limiter to narrow it down even further. Let's go ahead and select an article. Once you come into the actual article, you can get the full text PDF, which will just be the article itself. You can get the page view where it was listed on the page, and then also the abstract details is another useful page here. You can see what the article is about, where the article came from, the place of publication, the publication year, how many pages it is as well. If we scroll back up here to the top, you can see there are a few tools listed here, but if you click all options, you can see all the tools that are provided to you by ProQuest, not just the citation, which we can go ahead and select, see which citations are provided to us here. We can see that we have a whole number of different citations here. So make sure you're selecting the one you're looking for, and do remember that these are machine generated, so they may not be correct. So you might want to double check for accuracy. The other neat tools here available to us is you can save directly to Google Drive or your Microsoft OneDrive account, and you can also export it in a different format if PDF is not what you need at the moment. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions about searching this database, please reach out to us through chat or email.